Hi guys, today I would like to show you how to get Strava Premium without paying anything. So once you want to get Strava Premium for free, just open your Strava app, go to settings, select current subscription, and here you will be able to unlock all the features like Strava Premium for free for 30 days. Just tap on continue. And once you want to start your free trial, just click on Start Free Trial. So this is it. Just tap here, just provide your billing options also. And once you provide either PayPal or credit, debit card, whatever, it will be activated. Then you just have to remember to remove the subscription before 30 days. So that's it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.